Hi. Today we're going to tell you how to make the most out of your PPC campaigns. Here are the things to remember to ensure the success of your PPC efforts. Let's get started. Set defined goals. PPC involves setting up, managing, and measuring your ad campaigns. Without a specific goal in mind, the rest of the tasks will be challenging to do. You can use PPC for many things: increasing the traffic to your site, generating leads, driving sales, or raising brand awareness. Clearly define which among these will be your primary goal and develop your plan based on it. Take note of the funnel. The funnel will remind you that every consumer is in their respective areas in the funnel. Some brands may need to establish more awareness first before their customers proceed to the familiarity stage, and then the purchase levels, while other brands may already become a preference among online consumers. Know where your brand and audience stand in the funnel and establish a plan accordingly. Always track your progress. Another reason for the failure of some PPC efforts is not tracking the growth or conversion properly. Every goal you create should have a measure of success or a key performance indicator. Whether you aim for added awareness, engagement, or conversion, you must learn to define and track them, and that is how you would know if you are performing well. PPC has been in the industry since 1996, and because of the ever-changing digital landscape, no advertiser has ever perfected it. However, there is a way that you can ensure that your efforts will pay off. If your goal is to craft a PPC ad that people will be compelled to click on, start by following the tips enumerated above. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.